What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing pistols only in RecRoyale, but we can use healables and shields and all that crazy stuff.
Hi, I'm JT, and I'm here against my will, because he can't do the challenge on his
Okay, with that said, let's get into the video.
The green bar. The guy with that green bar.
Okay. That was the most awkward.
Hey.
It was like,
I know.
I think I'm gonna go to that.
it's like he denied. Alright, okay, Bucket Lake.
Wait, no.
Tower. Oh my god.
Okay, yeah,
You gotta
tower.
go
I'm
after- oh my
going
God,
tower,
okay,
I'm going
fine.
tower, I'm going tower. We're good. I'm going tower.
Okay.
Alright.
Punch. I don't need a sniper.
Dang it, that was last time.
Last challenge. I got excited until I realized they were doing pistols.
Oh, dang it.
Dude, I love snipers. No, if I get a perfectionist, I swear to God.
Dude,
Bro.
We were begging.
here for that last challenge, remember me?
Dang it, man.
It's funny because I usually get a great paintball pistol.
Oh my
at the
God.
beginning.
Oh my God. Yes.
What?
You good?
Yes.
Oh, crap. I think I might
I
have killed.
didn't get
Oh,
a pistol.
never mind. I'm good.
I got a full health potion.
Okay,
Oh,
I got a
scary.
green paintball.
Yes, I got a
Woo,
pistol.
let's go.
Yes.
Nice.
I got a ghost beard sidearm, which
Ooh,
sucks.
purple shield.
Okay, I just got a green sniper. Is that bad?
That's not
yeah.
bad.
Well, for our circumstances, yes. That's pretty
For-
bad.
Yeah. You've been yelling at snipers this morning.
Oh, crap, I just...
That's legendary art. Oh,
I
he's
got a great
high!
pistol.
He saw!
I have 6 ammo in my pistol.
Oh my god, I have to shoot under him. It's so weird. I think. I don't know.
I hit him.
I got
Woo!
shit to that.
Oh, dang. Whoa, that was a lot of damage dealt to me. Where is my
Oh my
man?
God.
Rip his AR. We're doing pistols only, man. I'm sorry, pistols only.
The pistols are the way.
I'm sorry, I had to take it.
Dude, dude, my pistol's no ammo.
Mine has 5.
Oh,
That would be insane to have.
Okay, I'm still gonna do the pistol challenge, but I'm gonna kill you.
I'm lying. I'm still gonna do the, yes. I'm still gonna do the pistol challenge, but not.
I think he said I'm gonna kill, and then he just cut out.
All I heard was, but guys,
Or he
I'm
just
still
vanished. Dude, it's like, you know that one meme with like the minion and like the on stage, and then he just like gets pulled from like the curtain?
Oh yeah. I just got a legendary RPG.
Are you serious?
I mean a purple RPG. Hey, I'll take that.
Oh, there's people!
Thank you. Oh crap.
Why
Someone's
did I
here.
run this way for a chest? Do you have a pistol?
No, I don't. Hey,
Yes,
bro,
pistol,
please.
first chest.
I need a pistol.
Bro, just leave.
You guys wanna go back to the lake?
I'm down.
Yeah.
They just did right. Say hello there. Hey. Oh crap.
Starbucks Drinkity is my favorite. No cap.
Mine's the caramel macchiato.
Dude,
Oh my god.
I couldn't grab that weapon.
Dude, I didn't even see them.
I
They
had to,
just
like,
appeared.
I could have killed like 3 people there.
Hey, bro,
Like,
we
I
can
have
refresh,
chest
we can
back.
I have pistol.
Pistol!
No, Jay, help me. JT, help!
I'm out of ammo. I can't do much.
I don't
I got
have
her.
ammo.
I'm just gonna take that to just hold on
Dude,
to
Al
it.
has a great pistol.
There's someone in the air. Hello.
I hear them. Where are they?
They're right over here by me.
I'm using the.
Hey,
I'm
ma'am,
using a shotgun.
ma'am.
Hey, there's a guy over there. He's a sniper.
Hey,
Ah!
I can't attack you. I'm doing pistols only. I'm just holding this. I can't do anything with it.
Ow. Even though he didn't hit me.
I literally can't do anything. I need to find a
I
stupid.
I need ammo.
I have a blue shotgun, but I can't use it.
Oh, baby, your mom.
I'm just trying to save my ammo. I have 30 bullets, so hopefully that's enough for like 2 fights.
I have 16.
I like the last couple of challenges or last couple of tries, we tried just running in every single combat, which isn't. I keep forgetting that people don't drop ammo, so it's not worth it.
Yeah.
So only fight if necessary. If they're shooting at you, then you shoot back. But if they don't see you, then don't go in for it, because there's no point.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Well, it took me one shot to kill that guy.
I look so intimidating, though.
I still
Bro,
look
you
very
look
intimidating.
scary.
No, these people came out of zone with like 1 HP, dude. There's people coming out of zone with like 1 HP right now.
Okay. I see one that died.
Oh, there's no chest anywhere. It sucks because like it gets to a point where everywhere's been
I
looted.
hear shots. Oh, there they are. Hey, we can be cool, okay? We can be cool.
Wait, what's happening?
I don't know.
What?
I'm
just saying that there's a big fat
somebody was shooting at me,
chocolate
and I
cake
thought
pop.
we were gonna be friends, and then I killed him.
There's a big
Oh.
fat
I
chocolate
betrayed.
cake pop.
I betrayed.
Tried population 1 gliding off that tower. I T-posed. I didn't play that game in a year, and I still tried it. I don't know why.
I haven't played that game in literally over.
I
Actually,
played this
no,
game.
probably
I played
under.
RecRoyale by longer than that game, and I still did it. Dude, you just gotta get one good pistol and stock up on like legendary health pots, and then whenever you take up serious amount of damage, just drink and then keep shooting.
Can you come out very politely, please?
I hit him twice. He has a legendary sniper.
Mom,
Duck and weave, duck and
I
weave.
thought my middle name was Taco Bell.
It is.
Taco Bell?
Yeah, I thought it was.
Oh my god, that was scary as crap.
Did you get him?
Oh.
Dude, that's the dream, dude. That's the dream pistol.
Bro,
What?
this would be the dream loot right here, dude.
He has the legendary electronic pistol.
Whoa!
Sweet. Alright. Dude, we might actually do this, bro.
Bro, we
have
might-
high hopes. I got a decent pistol too, so I mean we
Can't
might
say
actually
that.
be able to do this.
There's one more player left too.
Wait, there's one player. Wait, we might win this.
Bro, I dare you, JT, to give him a high five before you kill him.
I bet, dude. I'm about to run out of 4-4.
Oh, I see him, I see him. He's right in front of me.
Where?
I'm
Hold on.
waving to him.
I gotta go give him. Please,
Hi.
me. High five.
No,
I need to give
Hun,
him a
just high five. I need a high five before we fight. Hun,
High
listen,
five.
I just want a high five before I fight.
High
Okay?
five. Give me a high five.
High five.
High five. High five. Bro, you just literally ran up to him.
I love how I gave you like a little signal, and then we're just like, ah.
No. You're like,
Take the shot.
high five. High five.
No way, bro. No way. No way, bro.
Bro, no way, bro.
It's mine.
I feel bad because he actually stopped fighting us and actually
I
gave us
know.
a high
Dude.
I wasn't
He's like-
expecting. I think he was
Okay.
gonna like shoot at us as we were doing it. Alright,
Dude.
well, that was RecRoyale, but pistols only.
Yep.
Thank you for doing that
Thank
with
you
us.
for
I appreciate
Yep,
it.
thank you, Sub-Zero, for participating in this wonderful challenge with us. And
I'm gonna save that.
Yeah.
lesson.
thank you guys so much for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content with me and JT.
If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check my channel down in the description.